Hello, my name is Kendra Raub, and for my final project for Info 244, I created a LibGuide for Academic Search Complete hosted by EBSCO. The target audience for this LibGuide is undergraduate students. This LibGuide is designed to be accessible by any student searcher, regardless of academic level or area of study. I approached this project with the beginner searcher in mind, as this was my first encounter with the LibGuide tool, and I too am fairly new to academic searching. The purpose of this guide is to provide an introduction to the Academic Search Complete database, as it is a strong starting point for undergraduate research. This guide explains how to access Academic Search Complete, distinguish between basic and advanced searching, and use key advanced search strategies such as Boolean operators, citation chaining, field searching, proximity truncation and wildcards, and subject searching. It also highlights other useful database features. The home page of the LibGuide contains a description of the database and what information the guide contains. It provides instructions on how to access the database through both the SJSU King Library and the public library, as students may utilize either method. Access to Academic Search Complete may vary between public and university libraries, so it is important to note any differences or limitations in available content. However, despite any visual differences, the advanced search strategies in this LibGuide still apply. The guide provides information on both basic and advanced searching. The Basic Searching tab includes instructions on how to perform a keyword or title search and different ways to refine, sort, share, and save the results of the search. The Advanced Search Strategies tab of the guide provides instruction on accessing advanced search and detailed information regarding advanced search strategies. These include Boolean operators, citation chaining, field and subject searching, and proximity truncation and wildcards. Each of these has its own tab, which provides an explanation of the strategy, how it is helpful in strengthening a search, and how to apply them within the database. The Other Features section of the guide includes information on features of the database that may further assist a student in their research. For example, SJSU students can get additional support through the Ask a Librarian feature via chat or email. Students may also contact a subject librarian for help with a topic-specific research. This section of the guide also provides information on the two methods of retrieving articles, using either the Find It or the PDF full text buttons. It includes information on utilizing the search history feature, using search limiters to narrow search results, and how to save search results to a folder for later use. In this guide, I also included a feedback poll for users to provide information on the usefulness of this LibGuide, and also the option to email me with questions or feedback as a way to test the effectiveness of the guide and to make modifications as necessary. I found this assignment to be intimidating initially. As a novice researcher myself, I had no experience with LibGuides or with the Academic Search Complete database. I chose this particular database because I felt it was a good place for any student researcher to begin, including myself. I tried to use my inexperience to my advantage and develop my LibGuide as I explored the database, as a first-time user and attempted to explain things in a simple manner. Learning to use databases can be overwhelming, and it was important to me to break things down in a way that is easy to digest. I found this assignment to be challenging yet insightful, encouraging me to consider my role as a librarian and how I could best help a beginner learn to perform scholarly searches and ease any anxiety that may prevent them from attempting this type of research. It caused me to look at my role as a student and the importance of access to the proper tools to do my best work and the autonomy to use those tools to gain confidence in performing searches. Thank you for listening to my final project summary.